Today my dad just brought me. Let me open it. I already opened it. See? I didn't open the packaging. Let me open it up. Ouch! I did open it. Why did I get this? A blue one. It's still pretty. So ugly. I wanted this color. Let me show. I wanted love, royalness, and the mystery. And this one. This green one. The mystery is in the package. I can show you this. This is actually the fake one. Is it? Can take a I also bought this. But my sister gave me. So cute. Goodbye. I love blood boo-boos. I do that trend. First skill love. Let me say. First skill love and let me say. First skill love. Let me say.
এই মুখ খায় খুললা পড়ে রইছে কালিতে পড়ে রইছে
হাই হাই ব্যাগ শেষ এটাও শেষ
এই কয়দিনে শুয়ে শুয়ে যা আসিল সব শেষ
আছে এখন
আমি ব্যাগ বুঝালে সকালে তো শুকাইব না
How should I even open?
এটা যদি এটা
This is hot.
এটা আমার
It's amazing. I already broke it. The world! What is this up to do? They're twins.
এদিকে মোবাইল তো